Programming is a powerful tool that allows us to create software and applications to solve problems and improve our lives. Automating tasks. Programming allows us to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and effort, and improving efficiency. Creating custom applications. Programming enables us to create custom applications tailored to specific needs, providing unique solutions to specific problems. Improving user XP. Improving user experiences. Programming helps us enhance user experiences by creating more interactive and engaging applications, driving innovation. Programming is the foundation of innovation, as it allows us to explore new ideas and develop groundbreaking technologies